KYBN helps HR teams check data, export daily lists, and generate reusable report packs. Upload a full HRIS export or your maintained employee list. Choose your snapshot date and reporting window. Before you generate anything, KYBN reviews the data that affects your outputs, who is counted, how charts are grouped, and where missing values, repeated rows, or mixed values need attention. Then generate the outputs that match your workflow. A PPT report pack for weekly or monthly HR reporting. A daily reports workbook with active employee lists, hires, terminations, and additional details for day-to-day follow-up. And an audit workbook for fuller data quality review and follow-up with ops teams. Each output includes dataset reference, snapshot date, and generated timestamp for easier review and traceability. Sensitive Excel fields can be masked by default to reduce data risk. Less manual cleanup, fewer reporting surprises, more usable HR output.